Pisces, Pisces, Pisces. Hello my dear Pisces, kumusta po ang lahat? Sana po ay nasa mabuting kalagayan ng each and every one of you. Okay, right there, out there, everywhere. Okay? So my dear, ang gagawin natin ngayon is ang iyong first 15 days of September. This is from September 1 hanggang September 15, 2025 and this is a general reading. So paalala lamang po, munting paalala, reminder na ang gagawin po natin today ay general reading. So hindi po ito 100% na magre-resonate para sa ating lahat. So please my dear, lower your expectation pagdating po sa mga general reading. Okay. And my dear, sa reading natin, nag-include ako ng mga oracle card. Okay. Pero baka next upload natin, second half of September, wala na muna tayong oracle card. Magpe-plain tarot-tarot na lang muna tayo. Or baka mag-black card tayo. It really doesn't matter. Okay, base. Based on the energy tayo dyan, my dear. Pero for now, include tayo ng oracle card, okay? Ano ba yan? Ayan, let's go na tayo, dear. Wala sa ayos, my dear, yung mga oracle card. Okay, let's go na tayo, dear. Let me see what is going on. Tingnan natin ang first message mo galing sa ating oracle card, Pisces. First message mo galing sa ating oracle card, Pisces. Tingnan natin. And my dear, sa mga gusto magpa-private reading, ha? Nilagay ko, my dear, yung ating link, Facebook page link and WhatsApp number sa description box down below. PM is the key. Huwag pong mahiyang magtanong. Ayan na nga. So let's go tayo, my dear Pisces, okay? Pag wala pang nahulog, kinakailangan ko ng kumuha, okay? Kinakailangan ko na natakot. Natakot, dear, okay? It's time for me to heal, okay? So sa mga araw na to, my dear, you are healing, okay? Very, very nice na energy, maganda yan. If kung meron ka nararamdaman, my dear, na karamdaman, ayan, you are healing, you are recovering, very, very nice. Kung meron ka man, my dear, na nararamdaman na any emotional pain, my dear, kirot, hapdi sa iyong puso, my dear, you are healing, you are recovering, my dear. Sobrang nice, my dear, nitong energy na ito. I love it. So, nagkakaroon ka ng healing time, nagkakaroon ka ng recovery time, my dear, sa mga araw na ito, okay? Kung meron ka mga karamdaman, iniinda, my dear, mararamdaman, my dear, sa first 15 days of September, na gumagaan or nagkakaroon ng improvement, my dear, ang iyong kalagayan or ang iyong sitwasyon, okay? So, let's go tayo, my dear, dagdagan natin ang iyong oracle card. Let me see, my dear. Let me see. Pwede din, my dear, energy na moving on. Okay, moving on. Cutting connection. Toxic energy. Cutting toxic energy. Okay. So, pwede yan. I have lost all control of myself. I keep messing up. Okay. I have lost all control of my life. I keep messing up. Okay. So, my dear, siguro na-realize mo na may mga energy na nakakaapekto sa'yo, na kailangan mo nang i-let go. Siguro na-realize mo, my dear, na you are out of focus, you are out of concentration, and lately parang misaligned ka, hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo, okay? Siguro sinasabi mo rin sa sarili mo or baka biniblame mo, my dear, yung sarili mo sa isang sitwasyon or sa isang pangyayari. Pero sinasabi, my dear, dito, my dear, sa card natin na ang first 15 days of September is you are finally accepting, my dear, na walang perfect, okay? Walang perfect, nakakagawa ka ng mistakes, nakakagawa ang ibang tao ng mistakes, and ang pinaka-importante doon, my dear Pisces, is you learn from your mistakes, okay? So you learn from your mistakes and you are trying to recover from your mistakes, okay? Yun ang nakukuha ko dyan, my dear. Okay, so tingnan natin. Let's go tayo, my dear Pisces. Let's go. Very, very nice. I love the energy. Nagkakaroon ka dito, my dear, ng acceptance, okay? Maliban sa physical na healing, like kung meron kang sakit, meron kang nararamdaman, yung emotional, yung mga guilt, my dear, kung nag-guilt ka, my dear, na ay, kasalanan ko to, ako lahat ang may kasalanan nito, you are finally realizing, my dear, na-realize mo, my dear, sa mga araw na to na, okay, tao ako eh. Naka-program talaga ako magkamali at matuto sa aking mga pagkakamali. Okay? So, tingnan natin, my dear. Let's go tayo. Additional cards. We have here the energy of confinement. Confinement. Freedom. Okay? Alam mo, my dear, yung overall na energy is parang pinapalaya mo yung sarili mo sa isang bagay na parang nakakulong ka. Yung parang ganun, parang emotional burden or parang emotional na sakit, kirot. For some of you, yung guilt, okay, yung parang nararamdaman ko talaga, medyo parang sinisisi mo yung sarili mo na parang kasalanan ko lahat. Parang for some of you is nag-self-pity siguro kayo na parang hindi ko binigay yung best ko, kaya ganito, parang ganyan. Okay, pero I can feel, my dear, na umaalis ka doon sa energy na yon, okay? Parang pinapalaya mo na, my dear, yung sarili mo dun sa ganun na pakiramdam. Okay? Pinapalaya mo na yung sarili mo doon sa kirot, doon sa energy na yun, kung ano man yun, my dear, na nag-hold sa'yo, na nagkukulong sa'yo, my dear. Okay? You are healing. You are recovering. Okay? We have here, I want to start a family with you. Okay. To the point, my dear, na meron ditong start. Ayoko i-highlight, my dear, yung family. Posible, my dear, na parang gusto ko mag-start, bumuo ng pamilya, gusto kong bumangon, gusto kong mag-start ng panibagong relationship, gusto kong ayusin yung buhay ko, gusto kong mag-start all over again, gusto kong bumangon, yung mga ganun, my dear. You want to start again. You want to recover, my dear. Of course, hindi talaga, my dear, madali kung meron nangyari sa buhay mo talaga na something talaga na kung emotional yan, is emotionally disturbing or emotionally damaged, ganyan, kung ano man yan, hindi talaga yan madali. Pero my dear, yung energy mo sa first 15 days, my dear, ng September is more on, tama na, ayoko na. Sabi mo dito, my dear Pisces, ayoko na, tama na. Ayoko nang kumapit dito sa mga bagay na to. Ayoko nang masyadong magpakain sa kung ano man yung nangyayari. Kasi probably you see, my dear Pisces, na wala naman nagiging benefits, okay? Or you finally discover or you finally realize, my dear Pisces, na walang ibang mag-aalis sa'yo dyan kung hindi ikaw lang din, okay? So you are healing, you are recovering. That is a very, very nice energy, my dear. You want to start again, posibleng you want to start a family, you want to start your life again, gusto mo mag-restart, gusto mo mag-fresh, new beginnings, okay? So, ayan, tingnan natin, my dear, clarify natin. Okay, lalo na, my dear, kung nasa isang sitwasyon ka na hindi maganda, okay? Gusto mo nang ayusin yung sitwasyon na yan, okay? You are dedicated, you are already focused, my dear, na ayusin yung sitwasyon na yan at makaalis ka dyan sa sitwasyon na yan, okay? Very, very nice, okay? So, let's go tayo, my dear, clarify natin ng 8 cards, my dear Pisces. Pisces, let me see. Once again, reading to, my dear, para sa first 15 days of September. Okay? First 15 days of September para sa iyo, my dear Pisces. Let me see. Okay, ang dami. Okay, ang dami ba? Dalawa lang naman eh. We have here, okay, the star. Okay? And the Ace of Pentacles. Okay? Lalo na medyo sa area ng kaperahan. Okay? So, baka yung iba sa inyo is mag-i-start ng new life, new job, okay? New business, okay? And you are balancing, my dear, yung emotion mo sa energy ng star. You also have your spirit guide. Okay? Meron ka rin ditong spirit guide over sa energy ng star. Okay? So, you are balancing your emotion, your mind. Ayan, ginagawa mo kung ano yung mga bagay na makakatulong sa'yo, magbibigay sa'yo ng benefits. Okay? So, sobrang ganda, my dear. Lalo na, my dear, sa energy ng kaperahan, oh, you will be starting something. Mag-i-start ka, my dear, ng something. Baka magkaroon ka rin ngayon, may din ng mga creative mindset, okay? Kung paano ka magkakaroon ng pera, kung paano mo mariresolve yung isang sitwasyon, okay? Kung paano ka makakabangon, lalo na may dear sa mga issue na may kinalaman sa usapin ng financial. Okay? Very, very nice. I love the energy, my dear Pisces, okay? So, dagdagan pa natin yan, dear. Let me see. My dear Pisces, what is this? We have here the 7 of Swords, okay? So, ang 7 of Swords is connected, my dear, sa pagiging silent, okay? Pagiging silent. You are doing this very, very silent, okay? So, baka walang makakaalam, my dear, na meron ka nang ginagawang something, na nagre-recover ka na, okay? Ewan ko, basta nararamdaman ko sa card na to, my dear, parang may mga tao naman siya shock. Okay, may mga tao naman siya shock na parang nakaalis ka na dun sa sitwasyon na yon, that you are already out of that situation, okay? Yun na nakukuha ko dyan. Okay, so tingnan natin, my dear Pisces, parang sa energy ng 7 of Swords, parang may mga tao na masya-shock, okay? Magugulat sila na, ay, nag-healing na si Pisces, okay na si Pisces, naka-recover na si Pisces, okay, ganon. We have here the 2 of Swords, okay? You can actually make decision na. Okay? Bakit ko nasabi, my dear? Itong dalawang card na to, my dear, actually, this is a very, very negative na dalawang card na to, the 7 of Swords and the 2 of Swords. Kaso, my dear, nauna yung star at saka ito. Kaya hindi ko siya, my dear, ma-brought out or hindi ko siya mabigyan, my dear, ng conclusion na this is a negative na energy. So, dito, my dear, I can feel, my dear, ang very sneaky na energy is more on parang gumagawa ka ng mga action, gumagawa ka ng mga moves, nagre-recover ka, nag-healing ka, inaayos mo yung situation, my dear, na walang masyadong nakakaalam. Meron ka mga moves, meron ka mga action na parang will surprise the world or will surprise your friends, your family. Okay, yun na nakukuha ko dito na talagang mapapaisip sila, paano nangyari yun? Paano nakaalis si Pisces doon sa situation na yun? Paano niya nagawa na makapag-recover and makapag-start all over again? Ganun din, may sa energy ng 2 of Swords. Okay, sa energy ng 2 of Swords, you can actually, hindi ka na naguguluhan. Okay, kasi nag-healing ka na eh. Okay, nag-recover ka na eh. So, tingnan natin, my dear. Additional cards, my dear Pisces. Once again, reading mo ito, my dear, para sa yung first 15 days of September. This is from September 1 hanggang September 15, 2025. Okay. So, tingnan natin, my dear. Last 4 cards na lang tayo. Super ganda. Super, super nice, my dear, na energy. We have here the energy of the justice. Okay. So, ayan, my dear, clarification yan, my dear, ng ating Star, okay, you will believe on karma. If people did you something, kung meron mga tao na ginawang ka ng hindi maganda, did something, do something sa iyo, my dear, you will believe on karma. Na naniniwala ka, my dear, na sa tamang panahon, they will get what they deserve or what they, yung parang, basta kakarmahin din sila, my dear, sa kung ano yung ginawa nila sa'yo. Especially, my dear, yung mga tao na dinamage ka emotionally, di ba? Talagang sinaktan ka talaga emotionally or nilagay ka, my dear, sa isang sitwasyon na alanganin. I can feel dito, my dear Pisces, na parang you are just, parang sinusurrender mo lang talaga siya, my dear, na bahala ng ating buong may kapal sa inyo. Alam ko, yung parang gano'n, you just believe, my dear, na may tamang panahon para sa kanila, okay? And I think nakakatulong yun, my dear Pisces, kung bakit parang napapabilis yung recovery, my dear. Especially kung meron mga tao na nakagawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda. Okay, clarify natin, my dear. Next card natin is the Ace of Pentacles, okay? We have here the three of Wands. This is moving forward, next level, energy din to ng travel, my dear. So, very, very nice, okay? Posible magbubukas ka talaga ng mga panibagong opportunity, mag-i-start ng job, mag-i-start ng business, pagkakaperahan, very, very nice. Baka meron din mga travel over here, baka you are decided, my dear, na magta-travel ka na, mag-move forward ka na, mag-move on ka na, mag-i-start ka na ng panibagong buhay mo, my dear, sa ibang lugar, okay? You will quit sa ganitong energy and you will start different energy, okay? Very, very nice, my dear. Actually, ang three of Wands is trusting your intuition na kung ano tong gagawin mo, tuumpisahan mo, my dear, will bring a very, very nice and positive energy sa'yo, okay? Very, very nice talaga, my dear, yung energy mo, my dear Pisces, para sa first 15 days of September. Okay, so let's go tayo. Last 2 cards na lang tayo, my dear. Kumapit ka lang dyan, okay? We have here the Three of Sword, okay? So sa energy ng Three of Sword, teka lang ha, medyo na ano ako dito. Teka, i-clarify ko to. Kasi sabi ko kanina, mayroon mga tao na masya-shock, okay? Pero kung iano natin siya, my dear, nakukuha ko dito, my dear, you are fixing, my dear, yung Three of Sword mo. Silently na inaayos mo yung Three of Sword mo, yung emotional damage, okay, yun na nakukuha ko dyan. Pero may nakuha kasi ako, my dear, na parang they will be shocked. Parang they will be shocked, yun na nakukuha ko talaga. Kaya ka-clarify ko pa yan, my dear. Ka-clarify pa natin yan. Additional cards pa tayo dyan sa ating third row, my dear. I wanna see. Gusto kong makita yan, my dear. I wanna see. Pero ang energy na na-compose natin dyan, my dear, is you are slowly but surely fixing your heart. Inaayos mo, my dear, ang iyong heart, okay? Inaayos mo ang iyong puso, ang iyong broken heart, okay? We have here the energy of the Five of Swords. Yes! Yung mga tao, my dear, na inabandon ka, yung mga tao, my dear, na nagdulot ng pain sa iyo, my dear, they will be shocked, okay? Actually, parang they will be hurt, okay? Kasi nakita ka nila ulit or makikita ka nila, my dear, ulit na nakatayo. You're standing, you're starting all over again, my dear. And sabi ko nga kanina sa iyo, medyo parang nawiwirdohan sila, parang nawiwirdohan, parang medyo na-amaze sila, napapuzzle sila kung paano ka naka-recover, paano ka nakatayo, my dear, okay? But dito sa row na to, my dear, you're slowly but surely fixing your broken heart. Inaayos mo yung sarili mo, okay? Isa-isa mong binubunot yung mga sword na yan. Okay, para kang may sumaksak sa iyo, my dear, tapos 'di ba, ang sakit noon, yung sinuhugot mo, my dear, yung ginawa sa iyo, 'di ba? Ikaw na mismo, parang anong nangyari dito, ikaw na yung nagdala sa ospital, and people expected, my dear, na parang you will not make it, hindi ka na makakasurvive kasi meron kang Three of Swords, talagang you are already trapped, talagang dead end na talaga siya. Pero nagkaroon ka, my dear Pisces, ng lakas at tibay ng loob, my dear, na bunutin yung mga sword na yon kahit masakit, kahit nagdudugo na and something like that. Kasi alam mo, my dear, na yun yung tama. Okay, alam mo, my dear, yun yung tama. Wala mangyayari sa iyo, my dear, pag nagpa-apekto ka lang, my dear, dun sa energy. We have here the energy of the Empress, okay? Although yes, connected to sa energy ng pagbubuntis, pero dito, my dear, I can feel, my dear, yung growth, maturity, improvement, acceptance, my dear, sa card na to. Kasi punong-puno ng love to, my dear, okay? For some of you, you will be loving yourself more, my dear, sa first 15 days of September, okay? Bottom deck of the card is the Ace of Cups, emotional freedom. Okay? And at the same time, sabi ko kanina, my dear, sa energy ng star, you have here your spirit guide. So, ayan yung turtle dove, okay? Tinutulungan ka, my dear, ginaguide ka ng iyong mga spirit guides, okay? Para mas lalo, mas mapabilis pa, my dear, yung recovery mo, my dear, sa kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo na pain. So, my dear Pisces, I just love, my dear, yung energy, as in super, super love, really, really love talaga, my dear, yung energy because you are healing, you are recovering, nag-uumpisa ka ulit, you're not giving up, talagang you are fixing yourself, okay? You're moving forward, and sobrang ganda, my dear, talaga nung iyong reading para sa first 15 days of September. Okay? So, my dear Pisces, ito ang reading mo para sa iyong first 15 days of September. Somehow, my dear, kung nagustuhan mo ang ating reading, don't forget to subscribe. Pag-click, my dear, ang notification bell para ma-update ka every time na meron tayong mga bagong upload. And free to like, free to share, free to comment sa lahat po ng ating mga videos. Once again, my name is RJ, also known as Apo J. Maraming salamat po. And until next time, bye-bye. Thank you, my dear.